So today we are going to draw a pencil holder. So you have your pencil and let's get started. So we're going to start with a line. So I'm like a kid that listens to stuff too. I've had to draw stuff, but I haven't drawn this before. So now we're going to go up. We're gonna go like that, and we're gonna go down. Cool. We're gonna go like that, and now we're gonna draw the pencils. So down. A square here, and a little thing here. So this is gonna be so they know it's a pencil holder.
If you take it off, it goes fast. Speed.
And now these are just fake pencils. Now we're going to draw the real pencils. So we're going to draw a line here.
So we're going to draw a line
that connects like that. And now we're going to draw the pencil. So we're going to draw this line down. After we're going to color in the pencils. But even though we're not really going to color in pencils, you can just color them in by yourself. You can color them in however you want. And now we're going to draw the lid. There we go, we have one pencil. And now we're going to draw a lid.
After this map. So
we're going to draw it all the way. So this is my best one I ever draw. Now we're going to draw the next. What are we adding next, Molly?
Wrist and
face.
Yeah.
So we're going to draw the eyeball. And now we're going to draw the reflection in the eyes. So now we're going to try our best to not touch into the but maybe that's okay. Okay, friends?
Okay, friends.
Hey, stop copying me, Wally.
Hey, stop copying me, Wally.
Wally, I asked you to stop. Stop, please.
Stop.
Stop, please.
Stop, please.
Wally, stop it.
Okay.
You can always pause the video if we're going too fast. And it doesn't have to go just like ours. You can just make it however you want. Put some little eyelashes.
Can I do?
Now on this side, we're gonna add just this one. And so it's gonna have hands. and little feet. So give me a thumbs up when we're done, or down. If you like this video, subscribe with the red button. And then you can get more videos of me. So I'm doing this every day, and this is my first day doing it, so I'm kind of nervous. I'm gonna go do a little nostril. I'm gonna make this one a little bigger. And now we're gonna go in and out. And now we're gonna go up here and draw a little line like this. This is gonna be the hands. And there's one finger, 2 finger, 3 finger, 4 finger, 5 finger. And now we're going to draw a little line back here. So he's going to be holding a sword. Here, we're colored in. Right here, we're going to color it in. Right here, we're colored in. Like that. And now, over here, we're going to draw a thing here, another box, and now we're going to draw a line going like that, a taller line, and then they're going to be connecting. Now, there we have his sword. And here we'll be holding a ninja star. So we're going to start our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good, friends. Now we're going to draw his ninja star. We're going to draw a triangle like this. And we're going to draw another little thing here. I'm going to color this in. So that's going to be his blaster that he's holding. And now we're going to draw his little feet. I'm going to draw something simple like that. I'm going to do something on this side, but like that. And now we're going to connect. And 1 foot. Other foot. So this foot is skinnier and this one is fatter. And now we're going to draw his 5 little toes. So we're going to draw 1 line in here and 1 line in here. And 1 line in here. And we've got it. The same thing right here. 1, 2, 3. And now, here we're going to draw some fire. Frogger draw his little teeth.
Lights on.
There's a pink little scary. This, and then bye friends. Say goodbye.